I'm going to practice with you with my voice on, just so you understood. You can kind of go back and make sure you understood everything I was signing. So I started today with last class. We stopped with the sign hockey, so today we're ready to start with the sign ice skate. It's a back and forth, forward and back motion with your X hands. The next is jog. It's more of an iconic gesture. Kind of looks like the jogging motion you would do. Next, karate. Kind of a funny sign, karate. Next, scuba dive. I signed. You can see it signed two different ways. Here's a sign for it. So here would be the underneath the water. Here's the diver's legs or the person's legs. Or the second way you can see it is just fingerspelled. Next was the sign snowboard. What I was signing to you about that sign is that you can see it either signed like this with this double motion with bent hands, or maybe you might see someone sign snow first and then the board, which is fine. Both are fine. Next, soccer, softball or ball, surf or surfing, to swim, and tennis. It's like a backhand swing, a forward swing, a backhand swing. Okay, that's it.